What's up? It's Sunny here. Beautiful rainy day. I just got in my car after getting a haircut and just got inspired to make a video. I think when I'm getting a haircut, that's like when I have some of my best ideas, no lie. So I just wanted to make this quick video. That's why I'm in the car. And just want to give you some really practical advice today. So away from a little bit of the spiritual stuff, but like just real practical advice, which is to really enjoy whichever phase of the journey you are in right now. This is something that is so crucial and can play such a positive role in your journey. The way we view the journey is in a linear way, right? Where we are here and we want to get over there, and then through this process, that's how we're going to get over there. And that's okay and all. I'm not telling you to change the way you view the journey entirely, but instead of always placing your happiness and your sense of well-being in the destination, realize that you can have those feelings right now, and that you don't have to delay feeling happy. You don't have to delay feeling successful. You don't have to delay feeling joyful and abundant. So now, why would you want to do this? You have to realize that even though we think that we are living this linear journey where there's a past, present, and future, moment by moment, you are manifesting a new frame, a new photo. Okay? Think of when you're watching a movie, right? You think that it's an actual moving picture. It's called a motion picture. But nothing is actually changing. It's not an actual video. Even you watching this right now, right? It's just actual photo frames, one frame at a time, that is completely still, going at a really fast speed, really fast rate. And because it's so fast, your eyes can't tell that it's not an actual moving image. It's just so many images coming at you at such a great speed that you think that there's a linear process to it. That's the exact same way life is. So every moment you are manifesting this new frame that has absolutely nothing to do with the past frame. The only reason it seems like that is because we perpetuate our own current state every single moment. But every moment you have the ability to choose something new and can create this momentum towards the other side. You can choose to feel like you would in the seemingly last frame, your destination, your success, whatever outcome you're waiting for. You can choose to just think about that frame, feel into the frame, and bring those feelings right here and right now. And the reason you want to do this is because when you actually start to resonate with that frame, you start to feel the way that that frame would feel. Now you make it that much more likely that the next frame that manifests is more like that frame. So think of this as, think of your journey, wherever you are in the journey right now, think of your destination, think of the whole process. Now understand that the process is not as like, it's not like you changing to become that. All of it already exists. They're just pictures frozen in time, right? Which we call the alternative space in terms of reality trend surfing. These pictures already exist, and you're simply choosing them, right? Moment by moment. You can choose whichever moment you want to manifest. You can choose by what you are feeling right now, by what you are believing right now, by what you are radiating through your being right now, what the next frame will be, or the qualities at least of the next frame, not the exact content. However, you can really choose the quality of the next frame. And that next frame is determined by how you are radiating right now, what you are radiating. There's so much freedom in this process. Only you are restricting yourself. You don't have to wait to feel successful. I certainly never wait to feel successful. I have felt successful ever since I started my journey. It's a thing that I constantly affirm to myself. I even remember one of my friends asked me something about feeling successful or having a certain amount of clients or subscribers or money to feel successful. The question was somewhere along those lines, and I was like, wait, the life I'm living right now makes me feel so successful. The feeling is a choice that I'm having. It's a feeling that I choose to have right now. I'm not deriving that feeling from looking externally. So I've felt successful when I had 1 subscriber, when I had 0 clients, when I had no money. And as a result of that, I've always kept moving forward. And the externals start to also just reflect my feelings. That's the way it works. I know I say this a lot on the channel, and you can see I'm really passionate about it, but that's the way it truly works. And I say it again and again to really get your mind wrapped around it, because you hear it and then you forget it. You hear it, then you forget it. Stop deriving your feelings from your own reflection. Rather, form the feeling and allow the circumstances to reflect that feeling. That's the way it works. That's how you manifest the next frame of the highest possible quality. That's how you continue to make consistent progress towards that destination, which already exists, and you're simply just choosing it. That is how you accelerate this process of manifestation. That's how you feel happy now. You don't need permission from a certain circumstance to feel happy. You don't need to have something to feel happy. You can just feel happy right now. You can feel successful. You can feel abundant and prosperous, regardless of what your bank account looks like. The frame already exists, and it will certainly be manifested if you radiate a certain frequency that actually resonates with that frame. So stop becoming so destination obsessed and stop delaying your well-being till you get to the destination. Live in this frame and enjoy just what is. Allow yourself to feel good right now. Allow yourself to appreciate your current circumstances. Give yourself credit and show yourself love for what you do have, what you do, all the steps that you do take towards your goals. It's a beautiful journey. Life is truly as great as you choose to make it. So stop delaying, start living, and stop waiting, start creating.